In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in Tradingview. If your price and time labels feel too small on a high-resolution monitor or too large on a compact screen, adjusting the font size on the axes can make your charts easier to read at a glance. Start with your chart open to reach the settings you need. You have two simple options. You can right-click anywhere on the chart area and choose Settings from the menu that appears. Or you can click the small gear icon in the top right corner of the chart. Both paths take you to the same place, so use whichever feels more natural while you are working. Once the settings window opens, look for the Canvas tab. Canvas is where Tradingview groups the core appearance options for the chart itself, separate from things like indicators or drawing tools. Head into Canvas so we can focus on how the chart looks, and specifically, how the axes are displayed. Inside Canvas, find the section labeled Scales. This section controls how the axes behave and appear. The x-axis runs along the bottom and shows time, while the y-axis runs along the right and shows price. If those labels are hard to read or dominating your screen, Scales is the right place to adjust them. In the Scales section, look for the font size drop-down. This is where you choose the size that works best for both the time and price axes. Click the drop-down and browse the available sizes. As you pick different options, you'll see how the labels would look right on your chart, so you can quickly judge what's most comfortable. If you use multiple time frames or have a lot of symbols on your watch list, aim for a size that remains legible without crowding the chart. On darker themes, slightly larger fonts often help. On lighter themes, a medium size can keep things clean. After selecting the font size you prefer, apply the change so it takes effect on your chart. You can click Apply to keep the settings window open while you review the result, or click OK to confirm and close the window in one step. Either way, your axes will update immediately with the new font size. If you want to fine-tune later, just return to Settings, open Canvas, and revisit Scales to adjust again. Small tweaks here can make a big difference in clarity, especially during fast market moves or when presenting your chart to others. That's it. Thanks for watching.